Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Trello with Slack. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and log in both in your Trello and Slack account. So as example, you can go to slack.com, trello.com. Let's say as an example, first of all, if you're just creating your Trello account, you don't have it yet, make sure to go when you click on create an account, you can simply create an account using a Slack account, which will also like at first start like a simple connection between the two platforms. But if you didn't and you already have an account, as example, let's say I'm here on Slack, I'm just going to launch as example Slack. And yeah, for Trello or the logged in. So example, I guess there are two ways. So the first way that I know for sure, let me just go here and open it in browser. The first way that I know for sure, if you go to Slack as an example, and if you go to the left panel, here you'll find apps. If you go, of course, normally you find yourself in home. So you can go to this left panel, click on add apps. As you can see for me, the Trello app is already added, but for you, you'll have to go and click on add apps. Here, look for Trello app and simply make sure to add it. As I said before, it's already added for me here and it's already like integrated. But for you, once you click on add, of course, you will be right here at the same place like me and it will be added. The other way that I'm not sure, I guess you can do so also with the power ups. If you go here and click on power ups and try to connect it with Slack, yeah, as you can see, already can do that in here too. So you can go and add Slack from here. And as you can see, once it's added, you can go and find this here on enabled. And as you can see, you'll be able to connect and communicate and collaborate on apps and etc. And yeah, you already like now integrated Slack with your Trello. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.